we're through inspections. We're almost there. A couple more things need to happen. Appraisal, mortgage commitment, title. Okay, appraisal basically is just this. Your mortgage company is going to issue an appraisal. Hire an appraiser to come in and value your home. Most of the time that's going to appraise because they're going to be using the same comps that you sort of use to value the property. Every once in a while it's going to underappraise. Now don't panic here. That just means they're going to issue a mortgage just up to the level where they appraise it. So for example, let's say they come in and say the home was worth $10,000 less. You want to buy that home, the seller wants to sell the home. Everyone's going to work together to come to a compromise. What that usually means is you're getting your home for a little less. Don't worry too much about it. Like I said, it's rarely a problem. Mortgage commitment. This is your loan advisor. Their pre-qualification. You get to this point, and this is where their company says, we are good to go. Back in episode 2, I said, a mortgage qualification is only as good as the loan officer. Well, this is what I'm talking about, okay? My biggest advice here is this. From pre-qualification to closing, no big purchases. Nothing big financially. Don't change your jobs. Don't change your financial institutions. Anything dealing with money, if you have any questions, call your loan advisor and they'll just say, yeah, do that, or no, absolutely not. Usually at this point, we're a week or 2 weeks away from closing, so just stay the course here. Nothing big. And finally, title. Your attorney is going to issue title, and that's a company that comes in to make sure they're delivering you the home free and clear, which means no one has claims on that property, okay? And they're also going to set up insurance for you to make sure you're protected. This is what everyone's doing up until closing, and the agent's responsibility is to keep in contact with everyone here to make sure they're hitting their deadlines, getting updates for you if there's any problems finding solutions quickly so you make your closing date. Okay, when all that's done, you're going to be issued a clear to close. And the only thing left to do is a final walkthrough, and that is the next episode. All right, everyone, I hope this helps. Looking forward to talking to you again. All right, bye-bye.